Hey loves, and welcome back to my channel, guys. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this Afro Kinky drawstring DIY ponytail right here on my head. So if you guys want to see how I created this hair in a short time on a budget, then definitely do keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm just going to run through all that we're going to be needing. I'm going to be needing a mannequin head, a ponytail drawstring net for the wig, also a couple of T-pins to secure the wig net onto the mannequin head as well, and some wig combs, basically two, and I'm going to be using this for extra security. And we're going to be needing threaded needle and thread to obviously make the wig. And lastly, we're going to be needing the weave that we're going to be using, which is the Kinky Afro Hair by Darling Hair. So I'm going to be using this, and it comes in this pack, and it usually comes in a bundle of two. This is my first time using this, and to be honest with you, you can go away with just one bundle, if that makes sense, but I wanted like that extra volume, because why not? I'm just going to go ahead to secure the net on the mannequin head, make sure that it is as flat as possible, and now we're just going to go into unravel the extensions. Now this is what it looks like. The wefts are pretty non-existent, they are so thin. However, the volume on the hair is quite decent, and that's because it's kinky hair. Obviously we have like that texture and volume as well. So what I'm going to do now is to just pin the weave, or pin the weft around the perimeter of the cap that's rounded, because we're doing like a ponytail. So I'm just going to pin that round and then start sewing around it, just so we cover up the tracks that we're going to be laying inside the net. Just watch and kind of have a feel of what I'm doing. So I'm just sewing around the perimeter of it, so that way if I raise the wig up, or the ponytail, if I wave the weave on the ponytail up like this, you guys can see that you wouldn't see the tracks, if that makes sense. Or you can sew it inside out, but I just prefer to do it this way. Now I'm going to be doubling, or should I say I'm going to be doubling the double that we just did. So I'm holding like 4 wefts, and I'm just doing that, running that across, because I really want to be fast. And again, it's ponytail, you're not sewing a full wig, it's just like a section. So I'm just I folded the weft into 4, and I'm just sewing that onto the wig net, and that's what I'm going to be doing till the end of this video. So now this is the volume of just one of the bundle, and to be honest with you, I feel like you can go away with just one if you comb out the hair properly, like if you finger comb it or use a wide tooth comb. It has a lot of volume in it, and this is what it looks like. So I'm just going to go ahead to add the second bundle, making it a total of 1 pack that I just used. Now I folded it into 4, and I'm just weaving that onto the net, just so we can be quick with it, because again, it is ponytail. You don't really need to waste your time on it. Just sew it as quick as possible, but then make sure that it is as neat as possible and as seamless as possible as well. So now that we're done with that, I'm just taking out the T-pins that we used in securing the net onto the mannequin head, and I'm just going to see what the volume is like and have a feel of the texture of the hair. This is what it looks like. It's quite decent. Volume is how I would love it. The drawstring looks amazing. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a 4C natural hair. It's quite kinky, has that feel. Now I'm gonna go ahead to just install the combs, and just doing this quickly. I've installed 2 combs on 2 opposite sides, so that way we can secure that when we apply the ponytail onto our head. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to go ahead to put this on my head, making sure that I comb the making sure I use the comb to ensure I have like maximum security. So this is what it's looking like. It's looking crazy, but don't worry, we're still going to like finesse it and figure out how to make it work, because this is the first time we're doing it. So I'm going to use that drawstring to make sure that it is secure, wrap it around, and then tuck it into the ponytail, so that way it doesn't like, drop or anything. So I'm gonna start finger combing just exactly like how you would do if you had like natural kinky hair. You want to finger comb just to bring out the volume. And now I'm just trimming it down. To be honest with you, I think I could have trimmed it down more, but I loved this afro look. Like it looks quite nice. It looks like I have like full healthy hair, but I really don't. So yeah, I just wanted to see how I can rock like this full hair before I finally trim it down to like a decent pony size. But I love it like this. I love this pineapple like afro look right here, and this is what it's looking like. You can definitely go ahead to comb it out more if you want it to be fuller than this, but I think I'm okay with this. So guys, this is the final look. This is what the hair looks like, and honestly I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, give me a thumbs up, comment down below what you think about this tutorial, and if you would love to give it a try. And if you do, let me know how it turns out for you. I feel like you can never go wrong with the bun. It's a summer friendly hairstyle, it's a work friendly hairstyle, it's a party friendly hairstyle. It's just a very comfortable hairstyle. It doesn't have like anything disturbing. It's just bomb. So yeah, feel free to check out my other hair tutorials and hair inspiration for this summer 2019, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one. Till then, stay fab, stay blessed. Bye guys.
You look good in the sunshine.